Etapa 8, sección 13. Vamos con historias en una fogata.
I'm dying to hear how she escaped from the lab.
I'm dying to hear how she escaped from the lab. No, pues viejo.
Meanwhile, the government was secretly building a weird lab. Secretly.
Out of the darkness came a creature that was half man. Fuera de la oscuridad. Out of.
I'm dying to get back to civilization and take a shower. Dying.
Me muero por. Y duchar.
The noise was gradually getting closer. The noise was gradually getting closer.
The nose was gradually getting closer. Gradually. They were in complete darkness, so they estaban en completa oscuridad, así que ellos no podían ver nada.
We're all dying to know.
Todos nos estamos muriendo por saber, todos nos morimos por saber. A scary monster was silently watching them eat. Cold and spoiler. Un monstruo tenebroso estaba en silencio viéndonos. Esto no hacía sonido.
Legends of werewolves, or people who can change their shape from a human to a wolf, have been told across the world for thousands of years.
Las leyendas de los hombres lobos o de la gente que los cambia de forma de un humano lobo han estado diciéndose, contándose alrededor del mundo por miles de años. Los humanos aparecen en las viejas historias. El ruido se acercaba poco a poco de
The
noise.
Gradually.
Getting closer.
Close.
Se convierte en hombre lobo siempre que hay una luna. He became a wolf. Nosotros estábamos totalmente muriendo para escuchar el resto de la historia. Eso fue un total suspenso. Pero de suspenso. Escuché algo muy diciendo. I listening. I heard something. I think. I heard something moving in the darkness. I heard. Suddenly, we look a light in the darkness. Well, like. We saw a light. We are around. We are surrounded. We are surrounded to totally darkness. We are surrounded of totally darkness. Surrounded by totally darkness. I hear suddenly. Tonterías. We are surrounded by totally darkness. We are surrounded. We are surrounded by total darkness. We are surrounded by total darkness. Surrounded. We are surrounded.